Let me tell you a story. A story about a man almost nobody noticed. His name was Ronald Read. Ronald Read was a janitor. He cleaned floors. He fixed small machines. He lived a very simple life in a small town in the United States. He wore old clothes. He drove an old car. He never talked about money. People thought he was poor. But when Ronald Read died, the world was shocked. They discovered that this quiet janitor had more than $8 million. $8 million. How can a man like this become so rich? He was not a businessman. He was not famous. He was not a financial expert. The answer is simple. Ronald Read understood something very important. Money is not about intelligence. Money is not about math. Money is about behavior. This is the core idea of the book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Have you ever wondered why some people earn a lot of money but still struggle? And why some people with normal jobs become wealthy over time? The difference is not knowledge. The difference is behavior. Money decisions are emotional. They are personal. They are deeply connected to our life experiences. Nobody is crazy with money. People do things with money that may look strange to you, but to them it makes perfect sense. Someone who grew up poor may save every dollar because they fear losing everything. Someone who grew up rich may spend freely because they never experienced real fear. Both are acting based on their past. This is why judging other people's money decisions is dangerous. We all play different games. Another powerful idea in this book is luck. We love to believe that success comes only from hard work and talent, but luck always plays a role. Think about the most successful people in the world. They worked hard, yes, but they were also in the right place at the right time. At the same time, many smart and hardworking people fail because bad luck hits them. This does not mean effort is useless. It means we should be humble. When we win, we should not feel superior. When we lose, we should not feel worthless. Luck and risk are always part of the story. One of the most dangerous ideas in money is never enough. Some people already have more money than they could ever spend, but they still want more. Why? Because they compare themselves to others. Comparison pushes people to take stupid risks. People lose everything not because they were poor, but because they did not know when to stop. So ask yourself an important question. What is enough for you? If you do not define enough, you will never feel satisfied. Another beautiful idea in the book is compounding. Compounding is slow. It is boring, but it is powerful. Small amounts of money invested for a long time can grow into something huge. Time is more important than timing. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to stay invested. Ronald Read invested small amounts of money for decades. He did not rush. He did not panic. Time did the work for him. Many people want to get rich fast, but the book teaches us something more important. There is a difference between getting rich and staying rich. Getting rich often needs risk. Staying rich needs caution. Staying rich is about survival. It is about avoiding mistakes that can destroy everything. Many people lose their wealth because they take unnecessary risks after success. The goal is not to show off. The goal is to stay in the game. Another deep idea is freedom. Money is not about luxury. Money is about control. Control over your time. Control over your choices. The ability to say no. The ability to live life on your own terms. That is real wealth. A big house does not mean freedom. An expensive car does not mean peace. Freedom means waking up without fear. Freedom means having options. This is what money should give you. The book also teaches us that wealth is invisible. We see people spending money. We see cars, clothes, and vacations. But real wealth is the money you do not see. It is savings. It is investments. It is money quietly growing in the background. Ronald Read did not look rich, but he was wealthy. Trying to look rich often makes people poor. Trying to be rich often means living simply. Another powerful lesson is long-term thinking. Markets go up and down. News is scary. Fear is loud. But history shows one clear lesson. Long-term patience wins. People fail because they react emotionally. They sell when they are afraid. They buy when everyone is excited. Calm behavior beats clever strategies. So what is the real message of the psychology of money? You do not need to be a genius. You do not need perfect timing.
You do not need secret strategies. You need discipline. You need patience. You need emotional control. Spend less than you earn. Invest for the long term. Avoid unnecessary risks. Let time work for you. Remember Ronald Read. A simple man, simple habits, extraordinary results. And now ask yourself this final question. What small money behavior can you change today that your future self will thank you for? Because in the end, the best investment is not in the market. The best investment is in the way you think.